Downloading or even buying these antiviruses from the internet might be time consuming and costly. To solve that problem, I'm going to show you how you can scan your computer without downloading any antiviruses. I am Mr. Gadget Tech Zone. Let's get started. Now let's go to our computer and we type MRT. Click on this one saying run command. And a new window will appear in your computer claiming and asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So we're going to click on yes. After that, we're going to click on next, this one right here. A number of options will appear. If you want to make a quick scan, you'll click on this one. If you want to make a full scan, you'll click on this. And if you also want to make a customized scan, you will click on this one down here. So for this case, I'm going to make a quick scan. And I'm going to come and click next. When you click on next, your computer will automatically start cleaning all the viruses and errors without paying a penny. And another good thing about this command is that it will show you how many files are infected. It will also show you the time at which you are scanning your computer. And it will also show you the files which is being scanned. Now at this point, you're going to give your computer time to fully scan the viruses. So we are through with our scan, but it looks like my computer is not having a malicious software. And it has stated here directly that no malicious software was detected. So my computer is very safe. So after going through this, we're going to come here, click on finish, and we are through. And this is what I recommend if you're okay with downloading or buying. Number one, we have Avast, which is also 100% free and easy to download. Number two is Kaspersky, which is on a special promo of up to 21%. Number three, we have Notion. Number four, we have Byte Defender. Number five, we have Total AV. Number six, we have WebRoot. And lastly, we have G-Data. And mind you, some of these antiviruses, you will pay for them. Now you know how to scan your computer without downloading any antiviruses. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Thank you for loving and supporting this channel. If you're not yet part of us, please endeavor to subscribe and be part of this family. Thank you for watching.